Okay. Good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Hmm. Okay. Now I'll give the one Google Class code now. Okay. So after this class, all of you, then what we'll do means once you create the already, I think already you download the Google Class. Is
Sir,
correct?
no, sir, I didn't download yet, sir.
Okay. Then after this class, you can download. In that down bottom of right, one plus symbol will be there. You click that one. There are two options there. One is the join class. One more thing is the create class. So we have to press that one join class. I'll show you that one. Okay. Because if it's possible, then that last class, whatever you send means the Tuesday class, whatever you send the PDF, if it's possible, you can upload in this Google class. For me also, it's very easy. Instead of taking printouts and doing the correction, from that class, I will do directly. Actually, see now, after installing that Google class, it lost that mail ID. Understood? So with your mail ID, you can log in Google Class. Later, once you open in that format, then we are getting like this. This is a mobile means the bottom of mobile will get one plus symbol here. Just click this plus symbol. We will get two options. One is create class and join class. Join class. Two options will come. You can select join class. After selecting join class, it asks that one subject code or also class code. Class code. It asks like this. Now in this class code place, I'll give the one code to you. That one you can enter there. That your class will get RF4J7Z2. This is the class code. Understood now? Then after
Sir,
that,
Z is small or capital, sir?
this is the small z. Okay? Enter this one. Then you will get the one folder in the class. That is the 12th mass. 12th mass class will get. That means whenever we have test is there, I will upload the question paper in this only. I will fix the time also. I'll fix the time. Suppose today class 7 o'clock. We have 7 o'clock test is there. I'll fix the time on the time only. By 7 o'clock only exactly the question paper will be open. But before that you can't see anything. The particular date, the particular time only we can see the question paper. Directly just you can open the question paper, you can write in the papers as usual. Then how to write in that one? Convert it into PDF. That PDF you can upload in the Google Class. I will get all the papers I will get. Then after that I'm doing the correction. After that I have done the correction, but no need to give any marks. Will get directly. Once I completed the correction means, then immediately marks also you will get the app itself. Okay, so this is a very easy process. That means always, but no need to suppose you wrote the test. After I done the correction, no need to give any papers. Automatically, once I done the correction means you will get marks. Okay, all of you copy this one. RF4J7Z2. All of you install the Google Class app with your mail ID. Later, once you open that app means you will get option like this. Bottom of right side, you will get one plus symbol. You can click this. You will get two options like this: create class, join class. We have to click the join class. Okay, after clicking the join class, immediately you will get this option. Enter class code. Enter class code. In this place, you can enter this code. And you can put the OK. That's all. The work is done. Then you will get the folder you will get. This folder, 12th math class. 12th math class. That folder we will get. Okay, got it? Clear? Understood? Please respond.
Yes, sir.
Okay, because it's very
Yes,
easy.
sir.
Maybe for starting it is the maybe will feel some little bit difficult it is, but once we done this for means then our work is very easy. Understood? Because after writing the test, immediately just you can upload in this app. I will get the answer sheets. Immediately I'll do the correction there only. Then after once I done the correction means immediately that marks we will get immediately. But no need to search for any papers there now. Maybe suppose you got any mistakes or something means you can interact with me directly. Understood? You interact directly with me. All those things. Okay? If it's possible, what we'll do means after this class, once I can install that one, if it's possible that last examination papers also you're uploading means I'll feel very happy because for me correction is very easy. Or else previously you send the PDF, I have to take printouts or something, I have to do that one. Okay. The last class what you done? You'll come into the class now. Today at least we have to complete the substitution method first. Please tell me now. The last class, what we done? Hello? Sir. We'll bet na take time correct. Excel sheet correct. చెప్పారు ఎందుకు అట్లా ఉండి ఇది ఒకటే ఉంది సరేనా ఓకే సార్ థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్ the last class what we done, please tell me anyone. I think we done the model multiply and divide, is correct? Anyone please tell me that last problem what we done. The last question what we done, please tell me that. No, what is the last question we done? I think integration of cos of root x we done. Integration of cos of root x by root x into dx. My voice is audible? My voice is audible?
Yes, sir.
Integration of cos root x by root x into dx. We done that? Integration of cos root x by root x into dx. We done this question? Why all of you are sitting very
You gave homework.
over? Very good. Next. Write one more question now. Integration of secant square of 7 minus 4x into dx. Secant square of 7 minus 4x into dx.
Sir, you gave these questions as homework.
I gave homework for this one. Next, one more. But you got his answer for this one. You got the answer? Next, e power 2x minus 1 by e power 2x plus 1. E power 2x plus 1. E power 2x plus 1. This also one of the important model. Should remember that one. Integration of e power 2x minus 1 by e power 2x plus 1 into dx. Maybe here sometimes not only e power 2x, maybe there are some different also. But whatever they are given that, just you can do one small changes here now. Same, multiply and divide by e power x, or else you can write now, no need to multiply anything. Both numerator and denominator and denominator divide by e power x, divide by e power x. That one I can remember that. See now, when you can divide by e power x, these two numbers now means numerator denominator. So what will get integration of? This is the e power 2x by e power x minus 1 by e power x whole by, next one, e power 2x by e power x plus 1 by e power x into dx. So now we can tell me now. E power 2x by e power x equal to how much? E power 2x by e power x. A power m by a power n. A power m by a power n equal to a power m minus
power
n.
x.
So e power 2x minus x is equal to e power x. So integration of e power x minus 1 by e power x. This e power is right in the numerator now. So e power minus x whole by, here also same thing only, e power x plus e power minus x into dx. Minus x into dx. Now we can take here now substitution. I think clearly the differentiation of e power x plus e power minus x, it is equal to, clearly you will get this one. I think I already got the answer. That means the integration of f dash of x by f of x into dx equal to how much? Log modulus of f of x plus c. The same we can take. I can write now, let e power x plus e power minus x equal to, take t. Differentiate with respect to x on both sides. So this is the e power x plus, anyhow this is the e power minus x into minus 1 equal to dt by dx. Dt by dx. The dx equal to, just enter the right side now, dt by e power x, e power x plus into minus equal to minus e power minus x, e power minus x. Now that one I can substitute in there now. You are substituting in this given question here. So integration of e power x minus e power minus x whole by, anyhow this is, we are taking the substitution now. This place you can write now t into dt by e power x minus e power minus x, e power minus x. Now these two will be cancelled. So that implies integration of 1 by t into dt. Integration of 1 by t equal to, clear with 1, log modulus of t plus c. So log modulus of c t equal to e power x plus e power minus x plus c. This is the answer for that. Okay. Clear that?
Sir, the screen is blurred, sir.
Oh. Now you can see.
Sir, still it's blurred for me.
What happened this? Every time it happens something.
Sir, it isn't blurred, sir. It's fine.
Now it's okay?
Sir, it's fine only, sir.
Ah, okay.
Might be issue with my network.
Okay, very simple question. Just to divide by e power x. These two values now. Then write separately. A power m by a power n equal to a power m minus n. Apply that. Later you can take a substitution. Then whatever we call the denominator, that one you can do substitution. Anyhow, the differentiation of e power x equal to e power x only, and e power minus x equal to minus e power minus x. So all you can substitute in there now. Directly get the answer. Next. It is actually 27th question now. 28th one. Integration of 1 by e power x plus e power minus x. Integration of 1 by e power x plus Tell me answer. Next one. Integration of e power x plus e power minus x into dx. But previous one we got the same thing only in the numerator as well as denominator we got now. But here plus means we got minus. Now what we do this? Here also same thing only from the denominator. Otherwise the same thing, no need to do anything. This one you can write as t is you can write. Integration of 1 by e power x plus e power minus x is equal to 1 by e power x into dx. Into dx. Now just to take LCM now. Integration of 1 by e power x is the LCM. So this is clearly e power 2x is correct. Plus 1 into dx. Into dx. So take reciprocal this one. 1 by e power x by e power 2x plus 1 e power 2x plus 1 into dx. Now take substitution here now. The same thing you can take. Let e power 2x plus 1 equal to take t. So differentiate with respect to x on both sides. So this is the clearly e power 2x into 2 equal to dt by dx. Dt by dx. So that implies the value of dx equal to dt by 2 into e power 2x. 2 into e power 2x it is. Then you can substitute and you can do that. Okay. Suppose this is the, we are not getting answer means you can do one more also. Suppose that is your choice only, no problem that. Or else e power 2x is there. If taken e power x 2x can be written as e power x whole square also, maybe we will take. You can see the possibilities here now. Suppose if taken this condition, okay, the same e power 2x we are taking means, maybe I think we are not cancelling any term here. Because numerator e power x is there now. I think we are not cancelling that. Suppose if taken only e power x here now, taken only e power x, differentiation of e power x equal to e power x only, anyhow we will get not dt by e power x will get. As the clearly will get cancel that. That means then you do one thing now, directly you can write here, only this e power 2x can be written as e power x whole square I can write. Best it is. That means just you can take here the substitution, e power x equal to t only you can take, only one single term you can take here. So e power x equal to dt by dx, dt by dx, that implies dx equal to dt by e power x, dx equal to dt by e power x. This one you can substitute in there directly. Okay, you can substitute in there now. Complete fast. Substitute in there. Already we have formulas are there. Integration of e power x by, this is you can write now, e power x whole square plus 1 into dx. So integration of e power x by, then e power x equal, we are taking t here. So t square plus 1 into dt by e power x. These two will be cancelled. So integration of 1 by t square plus 1 into dt. Any formula we have for this one? Any formula for this? Integration of 1 by x square plus 1. That's it. Tan inverse t valina. So tan inverse of t plus c. Here tan inverse of t equal to anyhow we got now. We are taking the substitution. E power x plus c is the answer. Tan inverse of since if you want you can write now, since integration of 1 by 1 plus x square into dx equal to tan inverse of x. Tan inverse of x. So by using this formula we got this. But in this formula actually we have x is there now. But here we got in place of x we got a t. So here also you can write now t because t is the variable. How to solve this one? Integration of e power 2x minus e power minus 2x by e power 2x plus e power minus 2x. How to solve? Just once observe the condition now. Suppose if taken this one, the differentiation of e power 2x equal to how much? Tell me. A differentiation of e power 2x equal to 2 into e power 2x. I'm correct? In the same way, the differentiation of e power minus 2x equal to minus 2 into e power minus 2x. Suppose from these two terms you taken 2 common. What about remaining? E power 2x minus e power minus 2x. So, I think clearly we got now. This should be equal to the same thing only. I think when you are taking that one, the complete thing, suppose this is equal to, we are taking t here. If we taken t, the differentiation of this value equal to clearly we got 2 into this value we got now. I think we'll get cancelled because this will be same only. We'll cancel directly this one. Then what about remaining? I think 1 by 2 into log modulus of e power 2x plus e power minus 2x. That is the answer. So now in this case directly can take here now. Directly can take. Let e power 2x plus e power minus 2x equal to take t. So differentiate with respect to x on both sides. X on both sides. So differentiation of e power 2x equal to 2 into e power 2x minus e power minus 2x equal to minus 2 into e power minus 2x equal to dt by dx. Dt by dx. So from these two terms, what is the common here now? 2 common. If taken 2 common, e power 2x minus e power minus 2x is equal to dt by dx. The dx equal to this completely right this side now. So dt by 2 into e power 2x minus e power minus 2x. E power minus 2x. Now this value and this value can substituting in the given question. Both they can write now. It implies integration of that e power 2x minus e power minus 2x, you can write as it is only whole by, but anyhow this is equal to, we are taking t, so t into, and dx equal to, you can write now dt by 2 into e power 2x minus e power minus 2x, e power minus 2x. This two will be cancelled. Here 1 by 2 is the constant value, take outside. So 1 by 2 if taken outside means 1 by 2 into integration of 1 by t into dt. Integration of 1 by t equal to, we know very well that this is the log modulus of t plus c. So log modulus of t equal to, t already we have taken substitution here now, e power 2x plus e power minus 2x plus c. Answer. Okay. Clear this? I gave 3 different questions I gave because same order. So the 3 questions, remember that. Okay, previous the 3 questions are one same model it is. This is the next model again. Integration of root of ax plus b into dx. Okay, here you can directly, it's a very simple question it is. So let us can take here now ax plus b equal to, take t, ax plus b equal to t. So differentiate with respect to x on both sides. So differentiation of ax equal to a is the constant equal to 0 only. So plus 0 equal to dt by dx. Then dx equal to, clearly you can write now dt by a. And these two values you can substitute here. That implies integration of root t into dt by a it is. If taken 1 by a is the outside now. But what is the meaning of root t here? Root t can be written as t power 1 by 2 into dt. It's like x power n. So integration of x power n equal to x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. So write clearly that. So 1 by a into t power 1 by 2 plus 1 whole by 1 by 2 plus 1 plus c. 1 by a into t power 1 by 2 plus 3 by 2 whole by 3 by 2 plus c, plus c now. Again you can write now 1 by a into the 3 by 2, you can take reciprocal here. It's become the 2 by 3 into t power 3 by 2 plus c. So this one clearly you can write now 2 by 3a. The value of t equal to ax plus b. So ax plus b whole power 3 by 2 plus c. No answer. Okay. The problem is very small question, but see the answer here now. 2 by 3a into ax plus b power 3 by 2 plus c. These questions are based on the square root. Okay, I will do one question and one more question. I'll give the practice to you. Just you can do yourself that. Same models. First one, integration of x into root of 1 plus 2x square into dx. You no need to think more it is. Then whatever they given under square root of, immediately take here now substitution. So let you can take 1 plus 2x square equal to t you can take. Constant equal to 0 only, but 2x square equal to, you get 4x equal to dt by dx. So dx equal to dt by 4x. Now this value and this value you can substituting in the given question. So that implies integration of x into the root of t to dt by 4x. So xx will be cancelled. So 1 by 4 is the constant value. Integration of root of t into dt. Complete yourself. I'll give the time to you. All of you can try yourself that. You can try yourself that. After completing, you can solve this question. Integration of x into root of x plus 2 into dx. Okay. So complete yourself and tell me answer. First question number 31 first to complete. Later you can try to do that. 32 also. This one is simple. Anyone got the answer? 31st question. Tell me the answer.
Sir,
Huh.
I'm getting 8 by 1 plus
Either
2x
2 by
square
3
whole.
means then we got no 2 times. Means 1 by 6. Yes, tell me, tell me. Tell me, Chirag. Tell me the answer. Actually, 1 by
Sir, I
4
did one
into
silly mistake, sir.
3 by 2 means we got not 2 by 3 into t power 3 by 2 plus c. This is the answer for that.
Yes, sir. Yes.
2 in this number 2 times. So 1 by 6 into anyhow t equal to we took here now 1 plus 2x square whole power 3 by 2 plus c. This is the answer for question number 31. And 32nd, same. Whatever they given the inside the square root of, that one you can take substitution immediately. Let x plus 2 equal to, you can take t. And based on that, the value of x equal to t minus 2. This is also useful to us. You can remember that. Now you can differentiate. So differentiation of x equal to 1, constant equal to 0, equal to dt by dx. So dx equal to, you can write now, dt. Dx equal to how much? Dt. Okay. So all you can substitute in there now. So integration of, in place of x equal to, you can write t minus 2, t minus 2 into root of t into dt. Integration of t into, okay, again right now, t minus 2 into t power 1 by 2 into dt. Multiply both of them, integration of t power a power m into a power n equal to a power m plus n. So 1 plus 1 by 2 equal, you can write now 1 t power 3 by 2 minus 2 into t power 1 by 2 whole into dt. Whole into dt. Now you can integrate separately. So integration of t power 3 by 2 into dt minus 2 is the constant value. Integration of t power 1 by 2 into dt. Now you can write integration of t power 3 by 2 equal, you can write this value t power 3 by 2 plus 1 whole by 3 by 2 plus 1 minus 2 into 3 power 1 by 2 plus 1 whole by 1 by 2 plus 1. 1 by 2 plus 1 plus c. So what about this value 5 by 2 na? This one you can write 2 by 5 into t power 5 by 2 minus 2 into 2 by 3 into t power 3 by 2 plus c. You can simplify this value now. So 2 by 5, the value of t equal to, we took here into the x plus 2. So x plus 2 whole power, x plus 2 whole power 5 by 2 minus 2 2s are 4. So 4 by 3 into x plus 2 whole power 3 by 2 plus c. 3 by 2 plus c. Okay? That's the answer. So, very small question, but answer we got very big one. Try this one. Integration of x by root of x plus 4 into dx. Same procedure you can follow. Whatever they give under the square root of that one, you can take here of substitution t. And the value of x equal to, I think, t minus 4 you will get. So in place of x, you can substitute in the t minus 4, and x plus 4 equal to, you can write now t.
Sir,
Ah, tell
sir,
me.
2 by 3 into x plus 4 power 3
Ah,
by 2 minus 8 into x plus 4 power 1 by 2.
very good. Very good. Correct only. 2 by 3 into x plus 4 whole power 3 by 2 minus 8 into x plus 4 whole power 1 by 2 plus c. Whole power 1 by 2 plus c. Okay. Correct. Next. (34) Integration of 4x plus 2 into root of x square plus x square plus x plus 1 into dx. Start now. Here are the same procedure. So directly you can take now x square plus x plus 1 equal to, you can take t. Differentiate. I think directly from this term you can take 2 common outside. Then 2x plus 1 get cancel that. Understood? Not 1, 2 is the constant, take outside. 2 into integration of root t into dx. Very easy. Start now. Because already I done the 2 questions. So you have to try yourself first, all of you. Try yourself. But this kind of problems, any problem, suppose you got an examination, means immediately under square root, whatever the given value, that one you can take substitution immediately. Let the center value equal to t. Suppose in front of this they given x here now. The time maybe see previous condition we are taking here now. Actually here t minus 2 it's not there. In place of this they given x here now. But we are taking x plus 2 equal to t. Then x equal to how much? Plus 2 can turn RHS side, it's become that minus 2. That's why the value of x equal to t minus 2. We're substituting. But maybe that means you can see the both the ways. Okay, but don't get any confusion. Suppose that x is not cancelled. Then what we have to do that? Based on the substitution, maybe in terms of t, you can find some value, the value of x. That one you can substitute in there.
Sir,
Hmm.
x square plus x plus 1 the whole square.
X square plus x plus 1. X square plus x plus 1.
No, sir, no, sir.
That is wrong, it is. Maybe some constant value will be there. Some constant value. Compulsory will get constant value. And here from the this term we will get one more 2 also constant also we will get outside. I think 4 by 3 starting will get compulsory 4 by 3 whole power x square plus x plus 1 whole power 3 by 2 plus c. It means without solving the problem also we complete that very easily. I am not writing answer here. You can try yourself and tell me answer. Then only I will write that. Lakshmi, please respond. Got it? But your voice is not audible, Ra. Lakshmi, your voice not audible. You got the answer? Understood this method?
Sir,
Ah,
4 by 3 into x square plus x plus 1 the 3 by
4
2.
by 3 into x square plus x plus 1 whole power 3 by 2
3
plus
by
c.
2.
Correct? This is the answer for that. 4 by 3 into x square plus x plus 1 whole power 3 by 2 plus c. Simple thing. We are taking the substitution here now. The differentiation x square equal to clearly we got 2x. This is equal to plus 1. 1 equal to constant 0. So we got only this value now. But actually this term here not there. But how to get this now? From this you can take 2 common. So 2x plus 1. Correct. These two constant take outside. So 2 into integration of anyhow this will be cancelled. Root t into dx. Root t into dt. The root t equal t power 1 by 2. But t power 1 by 2 means t power 1 by 2 plus 1 means 3 by 2 we got now. So t power 3 by 2 by 3 by 2. We take reciprocal means 2 into 2 by 3 equal to 4 by 3. Into the same thing. T power 3 by 2 equal to t equal to, we take the substitution here now. They ask us you can substitute in there. Okay. Next. Integration of x cube minus 1 into x cube minus 1 whole power 1 by 3 whole power 1 by 3 into x power 5 into dx. X power 5 into dx. How to solve this? Integration of x cube minus 1 whole power 1 by 3 into x power 5 into dx. How to solve this? Just anyone, please respond that. Just you can tell me your idea. So the same question, suppose you got an examination, then what will do? Because always we can't remember all the questions. You can't remember that all the problems with solutions clearly. So by hearting is like theoretical. We can't do. Once we understand the problem, then only it's very easy. So tell me your idea.
Can I substitute x to the power 5 is equal to t?
Suppose if taken here now, x power 5 equal to t means what differentiation here 5 into x power 4 equal to dt by dx. I think here what will cancel here now? Is it possible to cancel any value?
No,
And
sir.
then what will do this term here now? But it's no use only, no? Is correct? Means everything we got some different values here. That's why then what we have to do means, I think suppose if you take an inside the bracket value substitution, If you take an x cube minus 1 equal to t means, then what are you getting? 3x square equal to dt by dx. Sorry, na? Anyhow, we got now 1 by x square. 1 by x square we are getting. So then what will do means, you can write clearly that integration of x cube minus 1 whole power 1 by 3 into this x power 5 can split into two parts here now. That is x cube into x square into dx you can take. X cube into x square into dx. Is it possible? Take like this. A power m into a power n equal to a power m plus n. 5 correct only. Now we can take substitution. Let x cube minus 1 equal to t. I can differentiate. So 3x square equal to dt by dx. Dt by dx. That implies the value of dx equal to dt by 3x square. Dt by 3x square. Now these two values you can substitute in there. Here. Integration of t power 1 by 3 into x cube equal to we don't know, but you can write now x cube into x square into dt by 3x square. Dt by 3x square. Clearly these two will be cancelled.
Sir,
And
x
from
cube equal t plus
from the substitution only we got now here. The value of x cube equal to how much? T plus 1, t plus 1. Now all I can substitute in there. So t power 1 by 3 into t plus 1 into dt. T plus 1 into dt. Now we can same procedure. You multiply this. Integration of t power 1 by 3 into t. How much? T power 4 by 3 into dt plus integration of t power 1 by 3 into dt. Now we can integrate now. So t power 4 by 3 plus 1 whole by,
Sir, you forgot to write dt by 3, sir.
where am I? 1 by 3 is there, na? Here you can write this, the take outside common, okay? Directly. 1 by 3 right here now. Here also you can write 1 by 3 whole into you can take. Now it's correct?
Sir, t plus 1 whole cube no, sir.
T plus 1, no? Here, no, it's not whole cube. Directly we require x cube required now. What's the minus 1 only can write this side. It's correct? So here also you can write now. This is a 1 by 3 into you can take. 1 by 3 into plus t power 1 by 3. T power 1 by 3 plus 1 whole by 1 by 3 plus 1 plus c. Plus c. Yes, simplify that. Come in, tell me answer. If anyone completed means you can solve this question now. Sin 2x into cos 2x into dx. I think here also it is the 7 by 3, na? Sorry, I wrote mistake here now. This is the 7 by 3. This is correct? So 4 by 3 plus 1 equal to 7 by 3. Yes. Let us try this one. It's very easy. Directly under root, whatever the given value, take substitution. Let sin 2x equal to t you can take, but directly will cancel this value. Okay, then root t only will get. Anyone got the answer for this one?
So 1 by 3 into sine
Ah.
2 power 3 by 2 plus c.
Very good. 1 by 3 into sin 2x. 1 by 3 into sin 3x. Okay, sorry, sin 2x whole power 3 by 2 plus c. Okay. Yes, very good. Next, 37th one. Integration of 1 by cos square x into 1 minus tan x whole square. 1 minus tan x whole square into dx. Integration of 1 by x cos square x into 1 minus tan x whole square. So this is just all of you listen to me. I'll explain this one. Here are same thing. Whatever the inside the bracket, first you can take substitution. Let 1 minus tan x equal to t you can take. Let 1 minus tan x equal to take t. Now you can differentiate. Here you have constant equal to 0. So 0 minus tan x equal to secant square x equal to dt by dx. dt by dx. Is correct now? So therefore, the value of dx equal to minus dt by secant square x. But in this condition, we got secant square we got now. But secant square is there in any in this given problem. For canceling that. Once you can see that secant square
1
is
by
there.
cos square x.
1 by cos square x is equal to secant square x. So now we can write integration of, is clearly can write this value secant square x by t square into dx equal to, we got very clearly minus dt by secant square x. Now these two will be cancelled. Minus take outside 1 by t square into dt. So minus integration of this one I can write now t power minus 2 into dt. Now you can write minus integration of t power minus 2 equal to, you can write now t power minus 2 plus 1 by minus 2 plus 1 minus 2 plus 1 plus c. So equal to minus of t power minus 2 plus 1 equal to minus 1. Minus plus minus 1 only. So minus into minus equal to, clearly we'll get now plus. So 1 by t plus c. 1 by t plus c. So you have t equal to, just now we're taking the substitution here. 1 by 1 minus tan x plus c is the answer for that. Okay. Next. Oh, this is the important question to you. It's more important. Integration of root tan x whole by sin x into cos x. Sin x into cos x into dx. Integration of root of tan x by sin x into cos x into dx. Into dx. All of you listen to me. Here, see now here actually directly we are taking the substitution means but no use. But definitely suppose you've taken tan x equal to t means, but differentiation of tan x equal to secant square x. But in this case, secant square not there. But we have to get secant square means then how it's possible it is only for the denominator. All of you should remember that one. Multiply and divide by cos x. Once just observe that. Multiply and divide by cos x. Divide denominator by cos x. Because you know when you multiply and divide by cos x here now, but cos x into cos x equal to we will get clearly cos square x. So sin x by cos equal to will get tan x. And definitely suppose if taken substitution means differentiation of tan x equal to we know very well secant square x. I think 1 by cos square equal to secant square will cancel directly. So that's why we are taking here now multiply and divide denominator by cos x. So you can write now integration of root of tan x whole by the same you can write now sin x into cos x whole by cos x into dx now. So integration of root of tan x whole by sin by cos equal to clearly we know that one tan x and cos into cos equal to you can write now cos square x into dx, and we know very well that 1 by cos square equal to secant square. So just I am changing this value like this, root of tan x into secant square x whole by maybe this tan x we can written as like this. Maybe suppose if taken root of tan x into root of tan x, any changes we have? Root a into root a equal to a only, root b into root b equal to b only. That means clearly we'll cancel these two values. We'll cancel these two. Then what about remaining integration of secant square x by root of tan x into dx. Now we can take substitution. Problem is done. Now you can take here now let tan x equal to t. Let tan x equal to take t. Tan x equal to t. So differentiate with respect to x on both sides. Differentiation of tan x equal to we know very well secant square x equal to dt by dx. So dx equal to dt by secant square x. dt by secant square x now. Now this value and this value can substituting in place of this. So integration of secant square x whole by it is the root of t into dt by secant square x. Now this will be cancelled. So integration of 1 by root t into dt. We know very well that one. 1 by root t equal to how much? Integration of root t means t power 1 by 2. What is the numerator now? This value. So t power minus 1 by 2 into dt. Now. So t power minus 1 by 2 plus 1 whole by minus 1 by 2 plus 1 plus c here now. So minus 1 by 2 plus 1 equal to plus 1 by 2 only. So t power 1 by 2 whole by 1 by 2 plus c. This is the reciprocal 2 into root t plus c. So 2 into the root t equal to the value of t equal to tan x. So 2 into root tan x plus c. Answer. Any doubt in this problem now? Any doubt in this? Please respond. Because this is the more important question to you. It's very easy. Here now, just why I'm taking here now multiply and divide by cos x only denominator means only one reason. In your tan x is there now. Suppose this is we're taking substitution means differentiation of tan x equal to secant square x. But in this problem it is secant square, it's not there. But when it's possible getting the secant square x, 1 by cos square equal to will get secant square. That purpose I am taking here now. Only denominator multiply and divide by cos x. So all of you should remember this is the first step. So after multiply and divide by cos x, we got this value. Now you can write now cos into cos equal to cos square x and sin by cos equal to tan x. So 1 by cos square equal to, write clearly secant square. The root tan x write as it is only. And sin by cos equal to we got tan, we got now. But tan x can be written as root tan x into root tan x. Is it possible here now? So clearly we will write now because in the numerator also we have root tan x is there now. That's why I'm taking this value root tan x into root tan x. And these will be cancelled. So what about remaining? Integration of secant square x by root of tan x. Now I think see now we got the idea. We got the differentiation of tan x equal to secant square x. That's why I'm taking here now let immediately the tan x equal to t. Now differentiate with respect to x on both sides. X on both sides. Integration now, okay, differentiation of tan x equal to secant square x equal to dt by dx. Then dx equal to this one right this side now dt by secant square x. Now this value, these two values you can substituting in this question. Now you can cancel that. These two will be cancelled. Any 1 by root t equal to t power 1 by 2. We know very well that. Then the t power 1 by 2 you can write in the numerator. So integration of t power minus 1 by 2 into dt. Understood? No? Then you can apply the x power n. Integration of x power n equal to x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. The value of n equal to minus 1 by 2. So minus t power minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by minus 1 by 2 plus 1. So minus 1 by 2 plus 1 equal to 1 by 2 only. So t power 1 by 2 by 1 by 2. 1 by 2 just to reciprocal, it's become that plus 2. So 2 into t power 1 by 2 equal to root t plus c. But t equal to tan x. Already we are taking the substitution there now. So 2 into root of tan x plus c. Okay. $39. This is also important to you. Okay. Here also we have to follow the same procedure only because same multiply and divide by cos x. Then you will get clearly cos cube x into cos equal to cos power 4x. This is the tan x now. The 1 by cos power 4x equal to, write clearly, secant power 4x. Again, we got the same combination, tan x and secant square. Okay, so that purpose only you can take here immediately. Again, multiply and divide the denominator by cos x. Now you can write now integration of 1 by sin x into cos cube x into cos x whole by cos x into dx into dx. Now sin by cos equal to clearly tan x into cos cube into cos equal to, you can write now cos power 4x into dx. And 1 by cos power 4 equal to integration of secant power 4x whole by tan x into dx. Tan x into dx. Now we can take substitution. We know the formula that differentiation of secant equal to, clearly we got now, okay, tan equal to secant square x. The same we can take here now. Let let tan x equal to take t. So secant square x equal to dt by dx. Then dx equal to dt by secant square x. dt by secant square x. Now these two values you can substitute in there now. Now these two values you can substitute in there. Integration of is secant power 4 also you can write now, because actually we got only secant square only we got now. So this one clearly you can write secant square x into secant square x whole by the tan x equal to t into dx equal to dt by secant square x. dt by secant square x. And these two will be cancelled. And what is the value of secant square? But we know very well that only the value of tan x equal to t we know. Then what will do this? I think you know the identities. A second identity. Secant square x minus tan square x equal to 1. We know very well that one. Secant square x minus tan square x equal to 1. This one right is side now. So secant square x equal to 1 plus tan square x. 1 plus tan square x. That one I can substitute in there. So integration of 1 plus tan square x by t into dt. Anyhow, this value equal to t, we know very well. You can substitute in there. So 1 plus t square into 1 by t can be written as t power minus 1 into dt. Now we can multiply. Integration of 1 into t power minus 1 equal to t power minus 1 plus t square into t power minus 1 equal to a power m into a power n. A power m plus n. So 2 minus 1 equal to, clearly we got now 1 only. So plus t into dt. Now we can integrate separately. Integration of t power minus 1 into dt plus integration of t into dt. Calculate it. Complete yourself. Okay. Substitute in there. Integration of t power minus 1 equal to t power minus 1 plus 1. I think 1 by t directly contain this value. This is we can't t power minus 1 equal to 1 by t. Integration of 1 by t equal to log modulus of t. And t equal to t square plus t square by 2. So this is the log modulus of t plus t square by 2 plus c. Log modulus of t equal to, we are taking tan x. So log modulus of tan x plus tan square x by 2 plus c. That is answer. Okay. Write one more important question now. This is also more important. Integration of x cube into sine of tan inverse of x power 4 whole by 1 plus x power 8 into dx. Integration of x cube into sine of tan inverse of x power 4 whole by 1 plus x power 8 into dx. Here also simple thing only, it's very easy only, but don't think it is the too difficult question. But here is just you can apply the small logic. That's why they give the important for that. Suppose in this case, if you take in here now, let tan inverse of x power 4 equal to, suppose if you taken t, tan inverse of x power 4 equal to, we are taking t here now. Now you can differentiate this. I think we know very well that one. Differentiation of tan inverse x. What is the formula we have? Differentiation of tan inverse x. 1 by 1 plus x square. But x equal to how much? X power 4 whole square into again d by dx of x power 4 equal to dt by dx. We know very well that one because already we done the differentiation. Okay. X power 4. Now the difference is x power 4 equal to 4x cube whole by it the 1 plus x power 8 is equal to dt by dx now. So dx equal to, you can write this to right this side. So this is the 1 plus x power 8 whole by 4x cube into dt. Now the two values you can substitute in there now. The two values you can substitute in given question. That implies integration of x cube right as it is only x cube into sine t, because the center value equal to, we are taking t here now, sine t whole by 1 plus x power 8 into the dx equal to, you can write now 1 plus x power 8 by 4x cube into dt. Now these two will be cancelled and x cube also cancel now. Now 1 by 4 is the constant value, take outside. So 1 by 4 into integration of sine t into dt. Sine t into dt now. The integration of sine t equal to, we know very well, minus cos t. So 1 by 4 into minus cos t plus c now. So you can write minus cos of tan inverse of x power 4 whole by 4 plus c. Answer. Okay. minus cos of tan inverse of x power 4 whole by 4 plus c. Okay. Today what we done? All of you got it? Because today's, whatever you done, all the questions are important only, especially that last questions. And this one and 39 and 38, 38, 39, 40. The three questions are more important to you. And along with that, previous we already we done that one e power 2x and e power x. That kind of questions also important. Clear? I think today all of you are sitting very quietly. No one are responding. Previous you're responding, just you're telling your answers. I am also feeling very happy. But today no response. And I'll give you just two more questions. I'll give you. Once you can try it. Suppose you're not getting means I will explain that one. Okay. Once you can try, I'll give one small question to you. Once you can try yourself, but you're not getting means I'll explain that. Integration of cot x into log of sin x, log of sin x into dx, log of sin x into dx. Next, 42nd one, integration of 2 cos x minus 3 sin x whole by 6 cos x minus, plus 4 sin x, 4 sin x into dx, 4 sin x into dx. These two questions, once you can try it. But suppose you're not getting means, we'll discuss tomorrow, no problem that. Okay. I think this is the very easy one. If you want that cot x equal to, you can take cos by sin. Then the sin x equal to t you can take. We got now log t. Is correct. Sin x equal to, we'll get cos x. The 2 will be cancelled. Maybe you'll get that. And sin x equal to, anyhow we'll got now t only. So 1 by t into log t. Means log t by t will get. Log t by t. What is the complete thing? Otherwise, if you feel any difficulty means, if you want, you can complete also you can take, because the log t by t, maybe we can't any changes. This entire thing you can take here now, t you can take. Log of sin x equal to t. So differentiation log x equal to 1 by sin x. You can do cross multiplication. Then dx equal to dt by sin x we got now. Then cot equal to cos by sin. Sin will be cancelled. Sin cancel. Only cos is there. Okay, then you will get. And then cos also get cancelled in the differentiation sin x equal to again cos x. That also get cancelled, that everything. Only integration of t into dt will get t equal to t square by 2. Means log of sin x whole square by 2 plus c. That is the answer. Okay. The same with the next one also. Just once you can try yourself, you can take a substitution here and verify it.
Denominator is
First
equal
from
to
this
t,
one,
sir.
first from this one you can take 2 common. From the denominator, take 2 common first. If you taken 2 common, what happened? You taken 2 common.
We get 2
Integration
cos
of
x
2 cos x minus 3 sin x whole by. Taken 2 common means this is the 3 cos x plus.
Sir, after difference,
What am I?
sir, after differentiating, we can cancel out.
Now we can take substitution. This is equal to, now we can take here now t. I think these two will be same. Then differentiation of this value equal to, will get the numerator. The 2 will be cancelled. 1 by 2 take outside. So 1 by t is the remaining. So integration of 1 by t equal to log t. So 1 by 2 into log modulus of t plus c. That's the direct answer we got now. Otherwise 1 by 2 into log of 3 cos x plus 2 sin x plus c. That is the answer. Okay. But without taking in the 2 common, it's not possible.
Sir, without taking common also we can do, sir. Later we can take common.
Oh, yes, it can do. Directly, suppose you've taken also, but anyhow, the time also we will take the common. Is correct? But without
Yes,
taking
sir.
common, it's not possible. Either you can, now we can take common, or else at last also you can take common. At last also you can take common. Then only it's possible. Okay? That means, by seeing the problem only, suppose if we got the confusion, oh, this is a very big problem, then how to simplify that, how to integrate? We are thinking means definitely we are not getting. So once we have to think about that. Here, 2, 3, see, these two are the 2 even numbers, but these two are the 2 prime numbers here now. Instead, if you take in 2 common, clearly we will get these 2 numbers also prime numbers only.
Can we have an answer if I divide denominator and the numerator by cos x?
Suppose we are dividing means, then what we are getting, tell me now? The 2 cos x by this one. But for taking the differentiation, it's not possible. That means we'll get like this. 2 cos x by 6 cos x plus 4 sin x. Is correct? Then what will do this? We can't do anything. The same with this one by this one. No. Okay?
No, sir. Numerator and denominator divide by cos x.
Denominator divided by cos x. That also, if take cos x means, then what you get? 2 cos x minus 3 sin x whole by 6 plus 4 tan x. No, how it's not possible here also. Okay? Because if we take the substitute, when take 2 common, no, but differentiation of anything we are taking, we get a secant square we got now. But where is the secant square here? No secant square. Correct? Okay. These questions one more time I can say that. You write the procedure clearly that. Okay. Good night.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, welcome.